Creating a Roblox game directly on a mobile device isn't officially supported since Roblox Studio. The main tool for development is only available for Windows and Mac OS. However, there are still some ways you can work around this and manage or even edit games using your phone or tablet in 2025. If you're just getting started and want something easy to use, in-game creation tools are a good place to begin. Some Roblox experiences act like mini-studios, allowing you to build and save projects directly within the mobile app. A popular community-made tool called Studio Lite gives you a simplified version of Roblox Studio inside a game. This version includes basic features like the Explorer, Properties, and Toolbox, so you can work on your projects in a more mobile-friendly way. Games like Obby Creator let you build obstacle courses using in-game tools. You can design and save your creations directly to your Roblox profile, so you don't need a computer to get started. If you do decide to use a computer later, you can log into your Roblox account through the web and check out chats or messages. Look for the chat icon, a speech bubble at the bottom right corner to view your chats and groups. For messages from Roblox or your sent items, just click the More icon 3 dots or the envelope icon.